Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Trello and Asana free plans in 2025 and find out what's the best project management tool. If you're looking for the perfect management tool to boost your workflow in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Trello offers a handful of views: Kanban, Table, Calendar, Timeline, Map, and Gantt, though you need to use a power-up to access the last one. But the easy-to-use, drag-and-drop Kanban boards are what Trello is known for. Every board is made up of lists, and within those lists, you can create task cards, complete with file attachments, and a few custom fields, like drop-down lists, dates, numbers, text, and checkboxes. Asana gives you all the same customization tools as Trello: views, filters, and card fields. But you can add far more details to your tasks than Trello. Asana's built-in reporting tools are also more customizable than Trello. You can choose from pre-built reports on everything from project progress to work health to resourcing. From there, you can add all sorts of widgets to a reporting dashboard view to help visualize these details at a glance. While Trello's not as customizable as Asana out of the box, Trello power-ups, built-in app modifiers and integrations, let you customize your boards to no end and make them do basically anything you need for your project and task management. Trello's built-in reports, for example, are limited to reporting out on the number of cards for a given filter, say member, list, label, or due date. Asana and Trello both offer templates for a wide range of use cases, but Asana's templates are actually useful for kickstarting projects. For one thing, Asana's default template views match what you'd logically expect for that use case. Trello's templates are essentially all just Kanban boards with different list labels and a few preloaded task cards. Trello has some major limitations that make it tough for big teams to manage projects. The biggest one, you can't assign tasks to individual people. Trello is better suited for individual project management, especially with the new Trello Planner. It lets you sync your calendar and then drag and drop items from your Trello inbox into your calendar to help plan your day. When you contrast Asana's features with Trello, it's clear that Asana is better suited for managing team projects. Atlassian Intelligence, as it's deployed in Trello, is mostly just a writing assistant. You can get it to brainstorm ideas or create summaries, outlines, drafts, and the like in the description or comment section of any card. It can also edit or pull action items from any text you insert. In Asana, there's a whole suite of AI features called Asana AI that not only help you polish your writing, similar to Trello, but also help you build and manage projects. Trello's built-in automation tools let you set up simple, rule-based triggers, actions, and scheduled commands, so you can streamline routine processes within your boards. In Asana, you can also select pre-made automations, draft multi-step workflows visually using a flowchart, or manually create custom rules. With the above information, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.